What if, in a single point of space, the entire power of stellar creation and destruction is concentrated? In such a place, a true cosmic miracle unfolds. Stars ignite, die, and spark new life again within swirling clouds of gas and dust. More than 1,000 light-years from Earth, within an endless ocean of stars, lies one of the most captivating wonders of the observable universe. The Orion Nebula. It is visible to the naked eye as a faint blur in the constellation Orion. But if we look closer, a breathtaking sight reveals itself. A turbulent chaos of gas and plasma, threaded with the light of young stars. These stars have only just begun their formation, yet some of them already possess protoplanetary disks, whirling clouds of gas and dust from which future worlds emerge. And in some of them, young planetoids may already be taking shape, the first building blocks of future planets. The Hubble telescope first detected protoplanetary disks in the Orion Nebula in 1992. This region is undergoing active planet formation, but for a long time we were unable to confirm this through observations. If there is enough matter in a protoplanetary star, it can form gas giants like Jupiter or Saturn. Just imagine if there were a planetoid or a moon of a gas giant near such a nebula. What views could be seen from its surface? However, the harsh radiation from the massive stars of the trapezium can strip away the gas envelopes of such planets. This strongly affects their evolution. So if gas giants exist there, they are either very young or unusually resistant to the harsh environment. The Orion trapezium is a group of bright young stars in the central region of the nebula. And thanks to these stars, we see this astonishing display. It is believed that alongside these stars, about 100 fainter ones lie deep within the nebula. They exert a powerful influence on the surrounding gas and dust, which glow and form vivid structures. The Orion Nebula is part of the larger Orion molecular cloud, where intense star formation is underway. Nearby lies the Flame Nebula, made of gas that glows with a reddish light. At the center of its crimson clouds lies the young star Zeta Orionis. Alongside ionized gas, the nebula contains dense clouds of dust, which absorb light and create dark silhouettes against the glowing gas. In these cold regions, star formation continues. The nebulae of Orion interact with one another, forming intricate structures. The Orion molecular cloud is a vast mass of gas and dust stretching across 240 light-years. Within it, new stars are actively forming, and dense pockets of matter give birth to future suns. The cloud consists primarily of molecular hydrogen, but it also contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, ammonia, and complex organic molecules. Processes within the cloud unfold unevenly. In some regions, stars have already begun to form, illuminating the surrounding gas and creating bright nebulae, while in other areas, cold dark clouds still remain, where star formation is only beginning. Here we can observe every stage of stellar system formation, from the collapse of gas clouds to the emergence of fully formed stars. One of the most iconic parts of this cloud is the Horsehead Nebula, a dense cloud of dust and gas visible against a backdrop of glowing hydrogen. Its structure is sculpted by the stellar wind from Alnitak, the easternmost star of Orion's belt. Inside the nebula, star formation is underway. But the young stars remain hidden behind a thick veil of dust. Over time, the cloud will disperse, and the new stars will become visible. Near Orion, there are several more fascinating nebulae. This reflection nebula is one of the brightest in the sky. It is illuminated by a hot blue B1 type star. It can be seen even with a small telescope, but its true beauty emerges in the infrared. It has a distinct blue glow, typical of reflection nebulae, because dust particles scatter the blue light of nearby stars. Another beautiful object nearby is the M78 Nebula. It is part of a large molecular cloud where stars are actively forming. Most of the forming stars are invisible in optical telescopes due to thick dust clouds. However, infrared telescopes such as Spitzer and James Webb allow us to peer inside the nebula. In Orion, grandeur and chaos intertwine. Reflection nebulae scatter starlight, while emission nebulae give birth to new suns. This is a place where everything is in motion, where incredible cosmic phenomena emerge from chaos. Phenomena that astonish with their beauty and power. The Orion region is one of the most mysterious and mesmerizing areas of the sky. Here, within giant clouds of gas and dust, unfold processes that never cease to amaze.